Top 6 Foods for Autophagy Fasting Benefits, Dr. Mindy Pelz's Guide to Fat Burning and Healing. Dr. Mindy Pelz, a leading expert in fasting and functional health, discusses the power of autophagy, a natural process where cells recycle and cleanse themselves to promote health and longevity. Dr. Pelz highlights that fasting triggers this process, which can help eliminate damaged cells, reduce aging, burn fat, and support overall cellular repair. Key insights include fasting benefits. By fasting for specific durations, e.g., 13, 24, 36, 48, and 72 hours, individuals can trigger various health benefits like increased growth hormone, fat loss, gut healing, and immune system rejuvenation. Top foods to boost autophagy. Avocado, high in healthy fats, helps curb hunger and supports breaking a fast. Cacao, dark, pure sources of cacao stimulate autophagy, as supported by research. Coffee promotes autophagy when consumed. Black, organic, and mold-free versions are best. Green tea and bergamot tea both stimulate autophagy, with green tea having neuroprotective effects. Olive oil supports cellular health and combats inflammation, should be consumed raw and fresh. Curcumin from turmeric enhances autophagy and has anti-cancer properties, especially effective when paired with black pepper. Dr. Pelz underscores that combining these foods with strategic fasting can create a powerful routine for healing, disease prevention, and metabolic fitness.